Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys! Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. I am Ernesto Rev, a salon at the night from 12:00. Today, we are delving into a critical and increasingly common issue, investment scams. These scams lure people in with promises of high returns and financial security, but end up causing devastating financial losses. In today's video, we will be focusing on a specific investment scam highlighted in a recent news clip. Let us take a closer look at the nature and impact of this scam.
Habang sakay ng eroplano pabalik ng Pilipinas, binasahan ng Miranda Rights ang investment scam suspect na si alias Pantuliana. Nahuli siya sa Bali, Indonesia at idineport ngayong araw pabalik ng Pilipinas. Labing-limang warrant of arrest para sa mga kasong syndicated staff at swindling ang kinakaharap niya sa Pilipinas. Kaugnay ng bilyon-bilyong pisong investment scam, nakahalintulad daw ng pyramid scheme. Sa grupo pa lang ng biktima na si Aida, mahigit 300 billion pesos daw ang natangay ni Pantuliana at kanyang mga kasabwat.
Ang dami ho dito nagkasakit, ang daming nasirang pamilya, yung iba nga ho, namatay na eh. Gusto lang naman namin kumita, hindi naman namin akalahin po na ganyan. Lesson learned ho talaga.
Bukod sa pangakong mataas na interes, nakakumbinsi rin daw sa mga biktima na mag-invest nang makita sa mga event ang suspect, ang ilang artista, politiko at iba pang opisyal ng gobyerno.
Nakikita po namin na may mga bisita po siya na mga medyo mga in society ho ba, na mga tinitingala natin, na iniidolo natin. Nasa isip namin, hindi naman siguro magpapabaya itong mga to, na mag-i-invest sila din doon kung hindi sila nag-due diligence. Kaya po kami nainganyo talaga.
Sinubukan naming kunin ang pahayag ng suspect. Sir, baka gusto niyo magbigay ng statement?
Gusto ko sana, kaso ayaw nila, wag na lang.
Bakit?
Thank you.
The lawyer?
Ano gusto mo sabihin sana? Sabi ng PNP-CIDG, nationwide ang operasyon ng grupo ni Pantuliana. Daan-daan na raw ang kanilang mga nabiktima.
We're looking into several billions kung ang aming mga complainants ang ating pakikinggan.
Sa impormasyon ng PNP-CIDG, patuloy na nang bibiktima ang mga kasabwat ni alias Pantuliana.
I'm taking this time to warn the public, pag mayroong nagbigay sa inyo dyan at minensyon ang pangalan nito or iba pang mga pangalan na magbibigay ng 15 to 20% monthly na interest, huwag na po kayong sumali. Mawawala lang ang pera nyo.
Whoa! It's shocking to see how these scammers manipulate people's financial aspirations and trust. In the clip, we saw real-life stories of individuals who were promised significant returns on their investment, only to be left with nothing. Zero. What really stands out is the sophisticated tactics of these scammers. They create convincing schemes, complete with fake websites, professional-looking materials, and sometimes even fake endorsements. They prey on people's desire to secure their financial future and build wealth. Another key takeaway is the substantial financial impact on the victim. Many individuals lost their life savings, leaving them in dire financial straits. This underscores the importance of being vigilant and skeptical of too good to be true investment opportunities. So, how can we prevent this? Here are the prevention tips. Do your research. Before investing thoroughly, you should research the company and its claims. Look for reviews, check regulatory registrations, and verify the credentials of the people behind the investment. Second, be skeptical of high returns. If an investment opportunity promises unusually high returns with little to no risk, it is likely a scam. Genuine investments carry some level of risk and never guarantee high returns. And third, consult a financial advisor. I cannot stress this enough, since we need to seek advice from a licensed professional before making any significant investment decisions. They can help us identify legitimate opportunities and avoid scams. Remember, staying informed and cautious can save you from significant financial loss. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also ring the button for the notification bell to share this video and help spread awareness about investment scams. Stay safe out there. Reaction